twist the bottom of the vibrating T-bar to the right to activate. Starting in the center of the chin, work upwards and stop right underneath the cheekbone to help sculpt and define this area, as well as firm and tone the skin. Repeat this step 3 times before moving the T-bar to the corner of the lips, and then again do this motion 3 times before moving up right underneath the apple of the cheeks and lifting up again 3 times. Then work your ways from the bottom of the jaw to the corner of the nose, holding the skin taut. Moving out lines under the eyes by starting at the corner of the eye, working to the edge of the eye. Follow that by working underneath, starting at the corner of the nose, going again to the edge of the eye. To smooth out frown lines, start at the base of the brow in an upward direction. Do this 3 times, working your way outward towards the edge of your brow. Once you've completed each step 3 times, you're ready to repeat the entire process on the other side of the face. To give you a little background information on the vibrating T-bar roller, it is best used on cleansed skin and ultimately mimics the effect of massage by using sonic vibrations to stimulate the skin. In result, your skin is going to feel more toned, lifted, sculpted, and refreshed. And the best part is that the more you use your vibrating T-bar roller, the better your results will be.